Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, and Rose, and we are here with the 6-channel dump truck. So this dump truck is fully functional. It has 6 channels, like I said. It simulates real manipulation of the dump bed. And it's got 360-degree direction. It comes with an intelligent USB charging cable battery set. The dump truck can move forward, backward, turn left, turn right, 360-degree rotary, and it simulates real manipulation, fully reflect the superior performance. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open the box.
Open the box. Open the box.
Yeah.
Open the box. Open the box. No, the dump truck. What?
Yeah, the dump truck. Yeah, the dump truck's gonna go really fast. Vroom, vroom.
Beep, beep. Wow. Are you opening it?
Yeah, I'm opening it. Okay, we got the first piece of tape off, Rose. Now we gotta get the second piece.
Wow. Are you doing it?
Yeah, I'm doing it. Okay, we got the second piece. And now there's one last piece, Rose. All right, so we've got the tape undone. Let's take her out of the box, Rose. All right, so here's how it comes out of the box.
The dump truck.
Yeah, dump truck. Okay, so there it is. What do you think, Rose? Pretty nice. So now we need to take it out of the container. Yeah. So the way they've attached it to the box is they've actually screwed it down. So I'll go ahead and unscrew it. Rose has got her toolkit here too. So we'll get this unscrewed. Okay, so now we can pull the truck out and show you. It's got a realistic dump truck action, like they say. It was secured really well in the container. So there's your battery compartment. You just got to unscrew that to put your batteries in. The remote control is secured in with a couple screws as well. So let me take those screws out. I've got the screws out there. There is your remote control. There's the up and down for the dumper on the dump truck. Then simple movements up and down for direction control. It looks like this one you actually control like tank style with the sticks, so you would push both sticks forward to go forward and then opposite sticks to turn either way. And same with the back, you unscrew it to put the batteries in. Rose is giving it her seal of approval at the moment and giving it a little test. How you doing on quality control there? What do you think? Is it a good truck? Okay, so Rose was doing a little quality control. Seems to be made fairly sturdy for the price. This was only a $35 toy, so not super expensive, and it is made out of mainly plastic. It does have some realistic features on it, like the ladders, and then it does have a molded plastic engine there. Once we get some batteries in this, Rose and I will take this out and show you guys how she works. We do have a couple more construction toys coming as well, so we're going to do a little simulated construction site. That'll come in later videos. So under here, we have the battery and the charging cable. And the battery that it does come with is a nickel cadmium. It is a 400 milliamp 6 volt. And what I'm coming to find is that there really aren't any instructions in this particular toy. So that's one thing to know from the unboxing here is don't plan on getting an instruction book for this toy. So the fact that you don't have an instruction manual for the toy is a little bit of a bummer for someone that might not be too familiar with these kind of toys. In the end, it is a little bit self-explanatory. Once you get the batteries in, I think people would figure it out pretty quick. So like I say, it does drive a little bit like a tank. There you have it, guys. The 6-channel, fully functional dump truck. With that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.